I was browsing the abstract pages for the program concerning the XXIX IAU conference in Hawaii coming up in August from the 3rd to the 14th. And I'm not going to name any names because I like to attack the ideas, not the actual people involved. But one of the titles of the abstract goes, "The most ancient stars in the Milky Way's halo." Now, I'm going to go ahead and read the abstract body really quickly. Hopefully I don't stutter, and hopefully people can understand what I say. It says here, "The earliest phase of the assembly of the Milky Way's stellar halo is encoded in the detailed abundances of its oldest stars. It is tempting to assert that extremely metal-poor stars in the halo are the direct descendants of the first stars. This is not necessarily the case, though, as metal-poor stars form over a range of redshift and halos of varying mass and environment." Okay, here's the problem. I'm not going to read the entire abstract because it's literally a paragraph and it's full of lingo that I have yet to understand. But to get the basics down, establishment people believe that ancient stars have spectrums. This is false. An ancient star doesn't shine. So to classify the abundance of the stars based off their metal content, you're neglecting all the stars that don't shine, such as brown dwarfs and later type stars like blue dwarf stars and black dwarfs like the Earth. Not only that, the abundances of those stars can't be measured via spectrums because the majority of the material is already condensed in the center, most of the heavier material, meaning even if they were to measure the abundances of brown dwarfs as well, only the lightest elements would be in the atmosphere. They'd be neglecting all the heavier elements. So that, in a nutshell, is one reason why I will probably not have help from establishment people. They still consider Big Bang as being a viable theory, and it shows by the way they classify the populations of stars and their abundances, meaning when they look at the sky, the only stars that exist are the ones that shine. So they classify all their models based off of only the ones that shine. And stellar metamorphosis clearly states that the oldest stars no longer shine. So they're missing not only a small portion of their statistics concerning brown dwarfs, but they're missing the largest portion of their statistics when the majority of the star loses its lightest elements and condenses into a little hard rocky ball called a planet. It is a challenge for these people to understand how things actually work, not because they're not educated, but because their root philosophies are flawed. Today is June 21st, 2015. Alright, everybody have a good day.